Right, in 3, 2, 1. Take it, see it. Sabonani bafethu, wola bafethu lapha emakhaya. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for having us into your spaces, in your own leisures. Bafethu, we really appreciate. This is the time, this is the moment that you've been waiting for. Sipho Hatebe is my name. So to Podcast Paranormal Show, Bafethu, it's where you are locked in. Thank you so much once again for tuning in. Bafethu, sesingaphakathi. Oh yes, Bafethu, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, Bafethu, and yeah, share the stories. Let us know what you think, Bafethu, about the show and how we can grow together and become, the best of the best. So we really like to say, guys, siyabonga kakhulu, guys, for everything that you guys are doing and just to supporting us. Bafethu, malikhulu kasi konke nikwenzayo, sithi siyabonga, Bafethu. Guys, with your request, Bafethu, sinomama namhlanje nimthanda kakhulu. Ngizamnikeza nje isikhathi ukuthi azi-introduce futhi once again so that we can there are some certain questions that you guys have sent and some certain clarities. So if there's anything that you might need, abanye have reached out. So abanye maybe that hasn't seen umama, they might be going through some situation whereby they might need usizo lakhe. So umama ukhona, umama Mthulu ukhona. So guys, please let us give her a platform. So please don't go anywhere. Sawona ma.
Yebo kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila. All right kodwa ma.
Ngiyaphila kakhulu.
That's good. Just a short introduction of those maybe who abangakwazi, abangakaboni mhlawumbe on the previous video when you were here on the studio.
Okay. Babukeli lo umama uThuli uThuli Ndaba Nkosi. Undaba is my surname and maiden name, and then Nkosi it's my marriage name. It's my marriage surname. So ngila ukuthi ngizofundisa umuntu omnyama, ngizovusa umuntu omnyama ukuthi masivukeni sizithathe and siphakamise amandla wethu uNkulunkulu asiphe wona a-natural azokhona ukuthi asisize kule mpilo esiyiphilayo enzima yala kulomhlaba.
All right, ma. Okay, ma, let's get into it. As we spoke before, and we have you again because of the demand that you had, right? Wow. Now, as I say, just to do justice as well, ukuthi khona abantu mhlambe for the first time khona bawuzwa manje ngeSoweto podcast. They might be maybe going through some situations and maybe they might see you and then get to understand. Mangicela nje just in short, please explain to us or just let our viewers know ukuthi umama Mthulu usebenza, what is your specific trade of umsebenzi? What do you do?
Okay, mina I counsel, I guide, and I'm a psychic. Ngiyakhansela, ngiyagayida, ngibonelela phambili, emisiya. Ngibonelela phambili. So ngiyasiza abantu ukuthi bakhule spiritually, nokuthi abantu babe independent, bakhone ukuthi bazimele spiritually, baphakamise into zababanazo. Abase bahlulekile, abazamile bahluleka spiritually, ngiyakhona ukuthi ngibaguide so that bakhona ukuphakamisa amandla wabo we-spirituality sabo, ba-align kahle with their spiritual.
Ma, let's jump into the stories that you have for us. For the day. What do you have for us today?
Nginento eyenzeka ngo-2011 when I was still finding myself on my spirituality. So it started like this. Umamncane wami bekhona umthandazo la bekajwayele ukuya kuwo where bahlangana babazalwane bakhuleke every Wednesdays, ne? So I introduce khona, then I started nami to go with abazalwane siyohlangana lapho every Wednesdays besiya khona sikhuleke then sibuyele emakhaya. Then ke kwaba trip eya kwaNongoma. Bekuwukuthi sizoya kwaNongoma siyongena emfuleni omkhulu wakaNongoma siyohlambulula khona. Then it was fine, hlanganisa imali because besibaningi. Kulabantu laba kade bekhona even nama celebrate. Besibaningi kakhulu. Sahlanganisa imali and kwaqhashwa ama taxi bewe 4 amakhumbi aya kaNongoma, and then abanye abaneyimoto bahamba ngama private cars ukuthi baye khona ne. Then it was Friday night la sahamba in the midnight. Sahamba safika khona ekseni eIntathakusa, sahamba kahle futhi khona. Masifika kwaba ukuthi mase sesifikile khona kwaNongoma sizoba nomlindelo, saba nomlindelo wa Saturday. Ekuseni kwa Saturday eNtathakusa ye Saturday kuzosa kube yiSunday, sesizohamba siye emfuleni ngo 4 o'clock. Kwakukhulumeke kanjalo ngoba umama lo bekuyileader kuyo yonke lento. Besiye la yena ahlala khona, umama uhlala kwaNongoma, so umfula wangakubo lo besiye ku. So ke ekuseni ke kukhulekwe ke ebusuku, and then eNtathakusa mazithi 4 o'clock sonke sibe sesiyalungisa, sishiya yonke into. We left ama phones, yonke into, amabheki wethu sagqoka nje impahla zethu zokukhuleka, then sahamba ke saya emfuleni. Umfula was not far from la sasifikele khona, bowuvele ukhuphuke boyehla kusho ukuthi indawo yakhona ingaphezulu ne, nehlele ezansi manje emfuleni, so but it's a distance kodwa akukho kude. Sahamba ke saya emfuleni, masifika lapha kule ndawo leyana the way ngoba ngalezo inkathi bekwabo June kubanda. Asifika lapho ngithi mina angeni, kusho ukuthi I'm talking to myself ne, ukuthi la angeni. Kusho ukuthi nje ngithi ngifaka inyawo lapha emanzini ngizwe nje inyawo lami ngathi liyahlephuka the way amanzi beyabanda ngakhona, ngithi la akekho nozonginothisa ukuthi angingenanga. So nje angeni at all, but ke I'm gonna play along as yabona, and that's what I did ne. Baqala ukubafaka abantu bakhaliswa amanzi abandayo, babafaka abantu ne. Lo mfula ume kanje ume njenge T-junction ne. Mawume kanje on the right hand side ku deep ne, we were told ukuthi ningadlaleli ngapha ngoba kuno babomkhulu wamanzi ku deep ngapha, and kunobu darkish because kunezihlahla abayibiza ukuthi ngathi ihlahla zomyengezane, ngathi inzulu le ihlahla bathi umyengezane, lezi eziyenza so emanzini yabona. Yes, and you can see ukuthi makuya lapha kunezinyoni kuphela, kumnyama nje kuyathusa on the other side, and kudeeper. Mawuya kule side elingapha then khona kungcono, amanzi ayakhona ukuthi afike just la uyabona. So la kuthi junction umama with another lady bebehleli khona, kuyibo abafaka abantu ne emanzini. Uyahamba uye kuye umama lo sasiye kwakhe ne kubo kwaNongoma. Abantu bangene, mina I'm busy there, abantu abaphuma phakathi emanzini ngiloke ngiyabasiza ukuthi bakhulule ngoba impahla ziqinile ngoba kuyabanda ne. So ngiloke ngiyabasiza isikhathi sahamba ngiloke ngibasiza, and ngitshelile ukuthi la mabangibuza ukuthi wena songenile, ngithi mina dala ngingenile, ngithi sibaningi akekho ngibona ukuthi angingenanga, and sengishana uvala ngifuna ukungena. Ngiloke ngisiza abantu ngithela I think bese kuwabo ma past 5 to 6. Ngisathi ngibhizi lapho ngezwe manje kuqhamuka ivoice yakhuluma nami, yazi wathi lo muntu angeke uhambe ilizwe lide kangaka ungangena emanzini, hamba ungene emanzini. And the voice was commanding, yazi ngokutshela ukuthi ngayeka yonke into engiyenzayo. Ngangifake euniversity ewhite, ngifake isketi sami esiblue saseZayoni ne. Ngavele nje ngayeka yonke into, ngasuka lapho ngasusa labantu, kusho ukuthi bekunabantu abaselayinini yokuyongena emanzini ne, but they are afraid ukuyongena phakathi. So mabasaba ukuyongena phakathi baloke bayashifta, bathi wozani bayashifta. Ngavele ngathi ngicela ukuthi nisuke, ngicela nisukeni ngiyaphambili mina. So mina ngicine ngiya lapha kulabantu abasifakayo ne emanzini, ngiya kubo. So kodwa ngizibonile ukuthi ngiyengajika, because kuye kwaba nepower nje yavele yangena from my head, yabona yayehla nomzimba wami wonke. Ngagcina ngingasayi lapha, ngaya ngaka right la ekuthiwa kuyiwa khona ne. So ke mangiya ngaka right la kuthiwa akuyiwa khona, ngithe mangiya le ngabuya, but funny because mangiya le bengihamba ngathi khona into bengihamba phezukwayo but bengayazi ukuthi yini, because bengaweli bengihamba phezulu. I was tapping on top of the water ne. Mangithepha kanjalo abantu babaleka bonke bagijima bayuma phezulu entabeni babukela, because they were like wow kwenzakalani uyabona. ngashona le lapha ku DP khona ngale ngapha kulezi ayihlahla leziyana ngabuya futhi again mangibuya I'm tapping on top of the water ne abantu bayahleka bangishayila izandla as if ngathi babona something great ngabuya ngibuya mina ngokwami I thought ukuthi amanzi wami I was telling bengibuza labantu ngithi niwacela kubani lamanzi amazi ukuthi amanzi ami la and mangikhuluma ngithi izandla ngithi kubo yabo niwacela kubani lamanzi anazi ukuthi amanzi ami la mangiceda ngikhulume nalabo abathi bafaka ngithi nithi ningafaka mina ngumnikazi wamanzi I'm telling them ukuthi mina ngumuntu wala nifaka mina emanzini mara bangizwa like everyone nje umangele uyabona bamangela abanye bathukile abanye they laughing and bashaya nezandla mangela uthi why bashaya izandla ngithi hey labantu abangizwa ngithi lamanzi niwacele kubani I'm busy saying that and I'm so convinced ukuthi amanzi wami lamanzi niwacele kubani nje basenizongena kuwo ngiyenze kanjalo ngihambe ngishake phakathi phezulu kwamanzi I'm tapping phezulu kwamanzi and ngiyazishake nokuzishake ngibambe ifika ngithe mangiceda ngabuya futhi so mangibuya ngabuya sengizoveza inyawo ngibaqhomela ngiveza like ngaveza inyawo ngathi kusho ukuthi ngizothi ngaveza igotshi like ngaveza igotshi ngazibamba ifika ngathi ngabaqhomela mangiceda lento yangirelease but mayingirelease uyabona ukuthi le spirit besingafuna ukuthi singibulale ne ngoba azange singiyekelele le deep sangirelease just close to la kufuneke ngikhona ukuthola ukuthi ngiye ngapha endaweni right safe then masingirelease then I went down amanzi angivala I tried to ukuthi ngiveze isandla then baphonsa induku nekuthi ngabambelela kule nduku then ngabuyela ngale so after that incident eyenzakela abantu they said wow abanye bangisaba basaba nokukhuluma nami abantu said wow hey uNkulunkulu mkhulu hey uNkulunkulu asibonisa enye into phela namhlanje we wish ukuthi ngabe besize nama camera you were gonna go on viral the way we've never seen such asikaze sibone umuntu ahamba phezulu kwamanzi siyaqala ukubona ngawe and they were like yo they kept on coming to me like saying how was it mohamba phezulu kwamanzi I'm like like ngibatshela ukuthi hayi bengizizwa ukuthi ngithini mina I thought amanzi wami so I was trying to tell you guys ukuthi niwacele kubani because I felt ukuthi ngathi ningene emanzini and anwacelanga kimi and yimi umnikazi wawo so bona in return bona bathi bebezwa mina bathi bengikhuluma njengedada bathi umlomo wami lokuthi but there was a language ebeyiphuma lapha bangayizwa ukuthi ngithini but bengibhizi ngithi kubo yabona bathi you were like talking at uyidada so mara kune language ephuma isingakuzwa ukuthi uthini so that was it so everyone was so like hey amangele ukuthi kwenzakalani yeah and the woman there was a certain woman I'm not going to say her name yeah she's a celebrity she also came to me and said wow yo wathi ngiyamsaba uNkulunkulu I think naye mabalalela le story bazo tracker back they know ukuthi lento engikhulumayo it happened kwaNongoma it happened and everyone was watching it's just that it never came out because sonke sashiya amafoni we were told ukuthi hayi shiyani yonke into phela vele manje yokhuleka ngeke niphathane namafoni yabona it was something like that so that's what happened
when was this
2011 June
okay
2011 June yeah that's what happened ngathi kwaqala lapho then I started to feel ipower esebenza ngamanzi uyabona ipower esebenza emanzini and after that lento ngathini yaloku iqhubeka ukuthi mangiye emanzini kuzoba na something eyenzakalayo ne and kwaba khona isikhathi la ukuthi siya eSnake Park it was before le Snake Park la sabanjwa igebengu it was before lesikhathi siyobanjwa igebengu ne we went to a Snake Park siyongena emanzini siyokhuleka singene nasemanzini so ngavele ngeza umoya oshisayo oyenza so ngathi cyclone wenza so ngaphansi kweroko bekiligqokile ne wenza so then bengifuna ukubaleka and ngitshela lo baba lo esasamba naye okhulekayo naye ukuthi kuna something la ngaphansi kwamanzi and manje iblower umoya oshisayo ngaphansi kwami mina ngiyaphuma la emanzini athi lo baba lo no ungaphumi khuleka then ngahamba lapho yablower lento le mayiblower kanti ingenza so iyangilifta up lo moya lo blower ngaphansi kwengubo ufuthi ingubo ibe ngaka bese uyangilifta ungisa phezulu so abantu bathi babone ngathi bengidiza kanti yilento engiphakamisayo lo moya blower from inside the water isnake park then ke kwaba into enjalo uthola ukuthi nje sekuhlala kunama incident imangaliso nje zamanzi and then kwayenzeka ukuthi kukhona amanye amanzi aselihayi umfula wakhona nawo bobathatha abantu bekuzwakala nje ukuthi abantu kunabantu abahambile bathatha umfula waselihayi so nakhona I went lihayi ngihamba futhi nabanye ngoba bengiba nale angazi ngizothi noma yilucky or yiphathi lokuthi mangingahlangana nabantu abathi bakhuleka because bengihlala ngifuna ukuyihlanganisa nabantu abakhulekayo so mangahamba ngihlangane nabantu abathi bakhuleka kuzoba ukuthi kuyakhulekwa uzoza sekuthiwa hayi kuzoyiwe emanzini then ngiye emanzini kanjalo ukuthi once ngahlangana nabantu ngithi ngiyakhuleka muthi ukukhuleka kwakho kuhambisana nokuthi ufuneke baye emfuleni then ke elihaye nakhona siya emfuleni masiya emfuleni and it happened ukuthi ngalelo langa lelo kwivene engangigibelile angizange nganaka nami ukuthi bengihamba namadoda kuphela all the women's bebesele abasesontweni basele ngihamba nabo baba basesontweni yabona nabafana basesontweni then we went elihaye safika khona masifika how I'm alone with the males okay it's fine kanti nabo bekunalento ukuthi ba trusta igift yami yabona kunalento because bebengithanda ba trusta igift yami yabona so masifika khona elihaye we started bathi besathi omunye ubaba ne umfundisi ubaba khona uphethe ibandla khona manje unebandla uhlale Orlando baba khona I'm not gonna say his name athi kithi asenzeni chain prayer inside the water sikhulekeni bekwabantu abakhulekayo and ngalelo langa besifasta nokufasta senze chain prayer sibambekile and masibambene so mina I'm standing on top of the brick ne mangimile kanje lelitshe engime kulo ne yilo elingenza ukuthi ngibe on par ngoba ngimfishane nabo because bona they are taller than me so mina ilitshe balingekho amanzi ala so ilitshe njengoba ngimelitsheni then at least amanzi afika la ngiba ngcono ngisho ngifane nabo ngokuma emanzini ngoba sonke amanzi ala so sibambene phakathi kwamanzi masibambene the more makuloke kukhuleka ngicimezile nami ngiyakhuleka makukhuleka kuze iforce yamanzi ne mara hamba so lamanzi ngaphansi nyawezwa ene labantu abawezwa angene phakathi le force ingena phakathi kwethu mara force yamanzi ingena phakathi kwethu and mayingena phakathi kwethu ingena ihambe ngilalela ngisakhuleki manje ngilalela amanzi ingene phakathi kwethu mayiqeda bese iyenza so kusho ukuthi mayenza so kube ngathi sizama ukuphunyulana so uyabona ngoba iyashaya sihlukanisa uyabona kube ukuthi hey yabona ngiphinde ngibabambe ngiyabona and I'm like ngitshela lo mfana wayeseduzane nami ngithi no man ngibambe because mina ngimfishane ngiyawela la ngimfisha and ngiyimi ngikhuluma ngiyi1 abantu bayathandaza ngikhuluma ngiyi1 ngimfishane ngiyawela ngizama ukubabamba mangizama ukubabamba kanjalo le force leyeza for the second time futhi yaqala futhi yayenza yathi kwaphunyuka for the third mayza okwes3 yashaya sonke saphunyulana le force yamanzi beyihamba so yashaya saphunyulana yahamba nami mayihamba nami yangisa la amanzi adiphi khona ne mayingisa emanzini la diphi khona la I can't even see phandle for 10 minutes ngistruggle phansi kwamanzi there was a time la ngizwa umongozini ngizwa kunuka igazi amanzi ngwezwa la ngizwa amabhabula hamba la uyabona ngizwa ngathi kunamabhabuli la because bese ngihleli isikhathi eside emanzini and when I try ukuthi ngiphakamise isandla ngiveze ngizama ukuthi mangabe bayangisiza bangibone ukuthi ngingakuphi ngoba manje sengisendaweni le deep ne ngizama ukugcuma ngithi ngesandla ngiyephezulu mangithi ngibona abantu babhizi bayathandaza uNkulunkulu ungamthathi I was like oh my God kusho ukuthi no one is coming to save me everyone is praying ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungamthathi then makusesenjalo I kept angizange phela amandla ngabhizi ngiloke ngithi isandla then Fortunately enough, one guy, he came for me. Ngambona sekafishane nje sekaseduzane ngezwa sekeza wafika wangibamba la. Maka ngibamba la efigeni ne. Ay nami just hold for my dear life. Ngambamba kwaze wanqamuka amakinopho the way I was so desperate. And while I was inside the water for little 10 minutes, abantu bathandaza bangakhona ukuzongisave ne. When I was under the water, I asked myself ukuthi izinto ngijwayele ukuzibona. Why I didn't see this? Is this the way ekufanele ngihambe ngayo na emhlabeni? I kept on saying that. Yabona, because akusinokuthi lento ngiyiphuphile or yenzakaleni. Ngithi why mara lento ngayibonanga? Yindlela engihamba ngayo le. Bengiloke ngibusy nginaleyo dialogue on my mind ukuthi is this the way ekufanele ngihambe ngayo na? Kabhlungu kanje alone, because I felt there was this loneliness that I felt inside the water. Ukuthi I'm gonna die alone, and nje a sadness, and kunjalo nje phathi ngoNkulunkulu ngaphila wangilanda lo bhuti lo wangibamba ne. Maka ngiqeda ukungibamba amanzi futhi eza wona la le force. Mayiza yazama futhi ukungena phakathi kwethu, yayenzani yaphusha mina yangibeka phezulu kwelitshe. Ngathi khona umuntu okuthathayo ukuthi yangithatha yangibeka phezulu kwelitshe, then ngahlala phezulu amanzi nawa la. Iyathatha lo bhuti. Mayithatha lo bhuti wazama naye ukubambelela but wagcina waba safe. So we were all safe. Like it was like ucishe wathathwa amanzi kwaba yindaba yokuthi yo amanzi bese wamthathile for 10 minutes lo muntu ahambile. That was it. Indaba yamanzi. So nje experience yamanzi ngibe nayo kakhulu. It was before, and bese ngiyitshela ukuthi okay kunento, there's a force behind me that is protecting me mangisemanzini, because kulaba incident nje amaningi bekufanele ngabe khona uyabona ukuthi khona into beyifuna ukuyenzeka, starting from kwaNongoma, lento yenzeka kwaNongoma where umnikazi wamanzi azame ukukhuluma mara using my body ukuthi as express ukuthi why singacelanga emanzini. What if he was angry? Kusho ukuthi bekhona abantu abebezohamba namanzi on that day. So I'm glad ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi nginokuyithatha ngokuthi I'm glad that I was there. Maybe I was there saving by being there, ngokuthi lo muntu kube ne connection yakhe nami yokuthi at least akhona ukuthi akhulume nawo wonke umuntu using me, ukuthi anwacelanga lamanzi ningena kanjani kuwe ningawacelanga. That was it, indaba yakwaNongoma.
All right. And then another one that you have for us.
Okay, eyaseMpumalanga ne, it happened, it was before 2010. It was before 2010. It happened with 2009, before kuba ne World Cup. Nakhona ngiyofuna lona usizo lokuthi ngifuna umuntu onale gift enginayo, because I kept on searching for abantu abanalento enginayo, because abanye abantu abayi-understand lento enginayo ne. So ke mangiye eMpumalanga ngoba bengilayelwe ukuthi kunomkhulu okhulekayo, ngoba bengifuna strictly abantu abakhulekayo. Kunomkhulu okhulekayo and ustrong lo mkhulu useMpumalanga, and kuye uzokunceda kuyo understandisa le gift onayo. Okay, right, ngiprepare la kule ndlu engiyakuye ifamily ngilayelwa umuntu oyifriend yami ongilayela kwifamily yakhe ukuthi ngizofikela kwifamily yakhe, ukhuluma nefamily yakhe ukuthi kuzofika umuntu othile la uze kuba ubani, nizomthatha ekseni nimuse kuba ubani. Okay, kube kanjalo ngigibela ama taxi MTN, ngigibela ama taxi then ngihambe ke ngiye eMpumalanga. It was Friday. Yeah, it was Friday. Ntambama ngihambe ngifike eMpumalanga. Mangifika eMpumalanga, right, ngilale. No, I'm mistaken. Ngigibela ama taxi Friday ekseni ngoba ngafike eMpumalanga bekuntambama. Yes, bekuntambama mangifike eMpumalanga. So ke mangifika kulendlu bangijabulele, abantu bakhona they are very kind. Khona nogogo lapho bangijabulele kube mnandi, ngikhiphe nomphako. Mina I like ukuphatha imphako mangihamba, ngikhiphe nomphako okudliwe kube mnandi. Yeah, it was so nice. Then ke kuhambe isikhathi kube late, kushaba uma 6 kulo umuzi loyo ne, kune RDP, kushuthi umuzi omkhulu une RDP eyimele phakathi kweyard ne. RDP kube nezindlu ezinye zakhiwe kube nekhishi elikhulu lakhiwe separate. So makuphekwa kule khishi eliseparate elikhulu ne wonke umuntu uyaya yohlanganela lapha ekhishini ikhishi lilapha. Then sibuye siyohlala ekhishini sihlala until late usixoxe bangibuza ukuthi kunjani eGoli. Then I'm telling them kumnandi kanje okay bese bathi hey yazi asingahlala until late ngoba bangijabulele bonke. Asingahlala until late kakhulu ngoba manje wena ekseni ufune kuvuke phela kuyavuka makuyiwa kulobaba. I said oh okay. But still ngoba bekumnandi and ngibhizi ngiloke ngibaphethe siloke sikhuluma. Sihlale zithi makushaba uma-11 kube ukuthi sesiyavalelisana ke. Then ke bangithathe bangise lapha ku RDP house ne. So ku RDP house bekunama room ayi2 bedrooms. So bona bebeleli kule bedroom ayi1 then lenye bedroom then balalisa mina kuyo ne. Oh such a nice bedroom inhle bedroom yakhona yabona ukuthi bebengipreparele yabo. Yeah ngifike ngingene ke ngilale. Before ngilala mina ngaleso sikhathi bengithembele kakhulu eBhayibhelini bengiphatha iBhayibheli because bengina this thing kimi ne yokuthi mangiphethe iBhayibheli at least yona izongisave from these things ezingihluphayo ipoko nayo yonke into lengithi mangihamba ngihlangane nayo. So bengithi mangifika lapho ke ekamereni lelo ngahlala phezulu kombheda kwangavuma ukuthi ngicime ngezwe nje nginefear angizange ngicime ilight ngahlala phezulu kombhede ngavula inkatha ngafunda iBhayibheli lami ngapha ngalifunda ngapha mangiceda ngalibeka ngapha ku pedestal. Okay lahlala iBhayibheli ngapha malihleli ngapha ku pedestal ngezwe man ukuthi hayi ngathi sengiphatha ubuthongo ngathi hayi okay awuthi ngene engubeni ngangena engubeni mangisangenile engubeni ngingakalali nokulala kuze ukushisa man kuze ukushisa kungenye indlela lishisa ikamera lishise ngenye indlela ngithatha ingubo ngizikhahlele ngizibekele ngijuluke ngibe manzi ekamereni ngishe hayi kanti hayi akakaqedi makuqeda ukushisa hayi yaqala into yashaya ifastera yathi mayishaya ifastera ngilizwa liphuka ngizwa kukhala amabhodlela ngavele ngadonsa lengubo ukuthi kuyashisa kunjani ngazivala ngayo mangisathi ngisazivalile ngengubo ngilunguze kancane ngibona ikhetheni silenza so kubonisa ukuthi njengoba kushayeka ifastera that means sekungena umoya ikhetheni silenza kanje ngivele ngiyivale kakhulu mangiyivalile kanjalo ngale because mawungena kule ndlu le kune dining room ne lounge then ikamera lami leli bebengilalise kulo liphumela ku lounge. So yeah ngizwe ziyabuya ngale ku lounge ngizwa kuphuka itulo kuphuka amatafula kusho ukuthi lezinto lezi eziphukayo ngizi-imagine ngomqondo ukuthi okay manje sekuyitulo because ngizwa ngalendlela ezikhala ngayo ngithi oh hayi sikaphahlaza iTV manje lo muntu ongenile ngoba ngizwa kuphuka iTV manje uyabona kusho ukuthi yonke into uloku uyayiphahlaza angilelanga kusho ukuthi kwashaya u1 mina ngibona ngithi nesikhathi ukuthi kushaya u1 zathi 12 zathi iqale ngabe uma past 12 lento zathi 1 zathi 2 sese same thing zathi mazithi boma 3 past 3 ya stop lento ithi mase istopile la mase izoqedelela khona nje ngezwa umntwana ahambisa imoto bekunemoto enkulu yetoy ne le moto ayihlala endlini ihlala ngaphandle and masingena endlini sasishiye ngaphandle eduzane komnyango hayi lelo toy belihamba endlini and ngizwa umntana omfana lihambisa aze ayenze nama sound athi chi yabona ngalendlela abantwana abafana abadlala ngeimoto so bekaloku ayenza ama sound lo mntwana ayenza ama sound ngale moto then kwaba quiet angazi nokuthi ngilale nini ngazovuka ngo11 cabanga bekufanele sivuke ngo6 masiya kulo baba mina ngavuka ngo11 bathi abantu bakhona ebesisaba nokukuvusa sibona ukuthi ukhathele kanti abazi ukuthi hey besikushubile. So ngisaba nokubatshela ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngisaba nokubatshela because I'm not sure noma bazoqabanga ukuthi into yami engize nayo why sengiza nezinto uyabona ucabanga into eziningi mawufika ebantwini ungabajwayelanga ungabazi so uzoba explainela ngento ezinkulu ezingaka ngathula hayi sahamba saye kulo baba masiya kulo baba nakhona zangibhedela izinto ngoba sathi masifika nje kulo baba lo baba wavele walala walala ngathi baba ngisathi ngithi ngiyam-explainela ukuthi hayi ngicela ukuthi ungihlole lo baba wavele walala. Wakhona lo baba wakhona ngaze ngathi izandla. Ngithi ngizama ukumvusa. Still ubaba kavuki ulele. Ngithi aphaphame. Ngithi baba ngibona nakulele athi okay mntanami. Makaqeda futhi abuhoxe futhi ubuthongo. Ngaze ngahamba ngasizakalanga lapho ngoba ubaba bekaluka lala then ngabuyela ngidisappointed ukuthi angitholanga nix. Lo mkhulu ekufuneka bathi uzongisiza and bathi powerful uvele nje wangilalela walala waze ngaze ngahamba angazange ngithola usizo lu right. Then ke ngahamba ke ngafika ke khona ke manje sekufuneka ngilale for the second time ngizohamba ekseni kwakhona ne lento yangidla sihlele ekitchen lento yangidla ukuthi konje ziyashuba futhi again namhlanje yabona. So mayengidla silobe siyaxoxa ngibona ukuthi lento le anginandlela ukuthi ngayifaka le ndaba le ukuthi bayilalele uyabona. Ngivele ngithi ngicela ozongilalisa ngingalali ngi1 ngithi ngiyasaba ngicela oyi1 ozongilalisa. Bavele bakhetha umntana ona 3 years no bekanabo uma 4 umntana wentombazane nje bathi hayi uzolala nanangu bambize ngegama. I'm like umntwana ukuthi into engiyibonile
khali 1 ngaphakathi ukuthi
umntwana kusasho nomuntu omdala banginikeza umntwana nje uthawulala nami. But anyway isambe ke sifike singene ingubeni ke silale. Angithi mina ngiyazi angisalali manje sengiyenze so ingubo. Bufike lokushisa futhi ngithi nayi lento. Ithi makufika lokushisa mina ngijuluka nginjalo ngizivale ngengubo. Umntwana vela akhahlele le ngubo alalathi inyawo. Ngithi mina kusisezodla lo mntana khona ke manje. Lento le izodla lo mntana nangumntana sekaze exposeile. Ungaphandle kwengubo kusho ukuthi manje lento seyizodla yena sengibhrike ngomntwana kusho ukuthi kunzima ngalendlela le ukuthi ngibhrike ngomntwana ukuthi lento le izaqala ngalo mntwana ngoba manje uze exposeile. Yathi mayifika yavele yathi gwagwa yaba quiet. Angazi nakhona ukuthi ngilaleni ngisho ukuthi yahamba uyabona. Ayizange ngisayenza lento eyenzile izolo. So ekseni mase ngizohamba usisi wakhona simile dining room. Ngithi yazi kunento engifuna ukutshela yona ngithi manje sengiyahamba senginesibindinyana sokuthi ngikhulume. Ngithi yazi kunento eyenzakele lana ngisho ukuthi ngimchazela sonke istory ukuthi kwenzeke kanje kwashisa kwafika into yaphula ama window only to find that akuna window eliphukile. It was just an illusion kahle. But yonke into beyiphuka. Yonke into ngizwile ama sound yonke into beyiphuka ngabona necurtain silenza kanje uyabona. Athi usisi wakhona hey aze nendaba aqale athi kimi lento lena isihluphe kakhulu la ekhaya. Lo mkhulu besikuthi oboye kuye uye wasivalela yona lento le besingabuthi quthu ubuthongo. Lokhu beyenzeka every day singabuthi quthu ubuthongo lento le uyibonile. Angibonisa izithombe athi uyabona lamantombazana ngibonisa izithombe ezisebondeni ne beautiful young ladies. Athi bebehlala eJozi. So mabehlala eJozi berenta iflat down ne. So both of them there no more. Ngithi how athi bayibashona bebegula oyi1 washona omunye waba pregnant washona umntwana lo ubomuzwa ne umntwana after umama ke sicede kumngcwaba ne umama ke ngathini uthema kwathola umntwana washona kwasala umntwana. So lo mntwana lo ushone after a month.
aqede ukuzala.
After a month bayibahlala naye a month after a month wasayashona bashona ke. So lo mntwana bomuza hambisa imoto ulo mntwana lo and bonke sibangcwabela khona eJardini. Athi phuma ngizokubonisa siphume. Angithi iJardini la khona likhulu. Amathuna wabo nawa lapha ezansi. Labantu angitshela ngabo ukuthi ngiyabona amathuna ngithi okay kwaba ukuthi ngathi yazi angazi ukuthi ngayenzani lento kusho ukuthi into ngangiyitshela ukuthi ngayenzani lento kusho ukuthi mina akufanelanga ngivakashe anyway because la ngihamba khona muthi into yakhona iyayiveza ngathi ithi ngifuna ungibone ukuthi ngikhona ngiphila la mina uyabona and ngokwenzeka kwayo kanjalo ne bese ngihlala ngisaba ukuya endaweni zabantu ngisaba angifuni uyolala angifuni kuyandawo yazongenzakalela ngiye eDurban ngihambe with ama friends siye on holiday siye eDurban sabhuka Masibuka, I'm not going to say the name of the hotel. It's a big hotel nje enkulu lapha eDurban, yeah.
Ejwayelekile.
Yeah, ejwayelekile ikhona na overseas, I think, yeah, ikhona na overseas hotel yakhona. Yeah, hotel ejwayelekile. So ke masifika lapha ehotel sifike kusebusuku then si check in ne. Omunye nomunye une room lakhe ne. Yeah, check in on my room, wonke umuntu une room lakhe, akunamuntu opartnere nomunye. So sasiye lapha just for a weekend. Yeah, ngilale ke ekseni sivuke sithi ngo11 sizovuka bese siye beach. Sitshelane lokho ne 11 sonke siziprepare sihambe siye beach. Sibhukude sibuye. Sibuya la sikwabo past 1 to 2 ne sikhathazwe ilamanzi. Masibuya hayi ngene eroomini lami nomunye azile eroomini lakhe sizitshela ukuthi after masiqeda ukuphumula sizohamba siphume out yabona and go and eat somewhere. Yeah, hayi mangifika eroomini lami ngivele ngizidlahlele phezulu kombhede ngigcwala umbhede ngilule ngisho ngishiye iphesi nemali la kulento le i-dressing table. Ngishiye iphesi lapho nemali ebeyihleli saphazekile lapha phezulu kwe-dressing table. Ngilokhile ngilele so. Angithi ehotela ekseni kuza labantu abaklinayo bazoklina. Already kuklini ngiyabona kuklini nase bathroom kuqoqiwe kunamathawula amasha kuklini. Ngizidlahlele phezulu kombhede ngilala. Angakaqedi nokuya kuphi ngisathi ngithi angikaqedi ngizwe kuvule kumnyango. I'm like, yeah. And makuvule kumnyango already sengicindezelekile. I can see ukuthi kwenzakalani, but I can't do anything. Ngicindezelekile. Makuvule kumnyango ayangena usisi ofaka i-apron. Nomshini wakudala ile mshini le, lo mshini nje awukho bongasekho ngaleso sikhathi. Umshini wakudala lo awusebenzisayo. Yabo ngizothi umshini esasinokuwubona e-TV ngaboma late 70s. But ke bekabhizi aphethe wona and uyacula lo sisi. Yazi ngithi mina kusho ukuthi ngiyayibuza ngithi uklina kanjani ngoba kliniwe. Ngifuna ukumtshela sisi already kukliniwe ngikhona nokusho njalo ngimbhekile I'm helpless. Ngifuna sisi kukliniwe so now I'm like kusho ukuthi ngithukele ukuthi angatshontshiki imali yami because ngishiye nje izinto ngishiye iphesi ngashiya ifoni lapha nemali ihlakazekile angatshontshi imali yami. Akline lo sisi lona shaya iculo lakhe akline makaqeda bese ayaphuma. Makaqeda ukuphuma nje ngireleaseke. Mangiceda ukureleaseka first ke ngayenza mangithi akunanto ayiklinile. Izinto zisahleli the way bezinjalo ngimbonile aqoqa. Mara sisahleli the way zinjalo. Then I realized ukuthi okay bekuyisibhoko. It was a ghost. Because bese kliniwe and chocolate yami beyihleli la and ngimbonile ayithatha amuva izinto. Amuva lapha yana. Mara bekunjalo kungekho into emuviwe. I said okay kusho ukuthi ibhoko ke everywhere. Kusema hotel kusho ukuthi manje lezi zinto zangilandela. That's how I thought ukuthi kusho ukuthi zangilandela.
Yeah. Mamtul, let's start with this question first. So many things have happened to you. Now, your understanding of Isbog, a ghost, till now, from Ukula, maybe you then started to, I don't know, what do you think ghost are, or what do you know ghost to be?
Okay, understanding yami I think uNkulunkulu gave me the way igift yami isebenza ngakhona ne bekangi exposure kulama experiences so that ngizokhona ukufunda ngazo lezi zinto lezi ngazi ukuthi why nokuthi kuza kanjani ukuthi lezi zinto zibe khona zibuyapi and why ngizibona mina. Yabona why mina kufanele ngizibone kuza kanjani ukuthi ngizibone mina yabona. So ke yinto engiyengayifunda ngama ghost ukuthi okay abantu laba abazayo as ghost ne abantu abangakhonanga ukuwela ukuya ngale ezweni lamathongo ne abantu abasaphila la emhlabeni abakhona their spirit sikhona la. So manje yikho lokhu bazama ukuzibonakalisa kumuntu ogifted ngoba ihope yabo ikuwe wena muntu one light wena muntu gifted ukuthi maybe wena wongamsiza kule nkinga akuyo umoya wakhe njengoba ungafuna ukukhululeka umoya wakhe la emhlabeni, so wena one gift kusho ukuthi uzomsiza, ngoba sometimes abezi ngoba bazokuterrorize, beza ngoba they want help, so kube ukuthi wena uthukile, uyabona, bese uyathuka, then mawuthuka then bese kuba naleyo confusion le iba khona. But esikhathini esiningi ama ghost when maweza eza ngoba bafuna usizo kuwe, ngoba amanye awazibonakalisa ukuthi awezi ngokuyibonakalisa, aza ngokukubiza, ngokumemeza. Like most endaweni equiet you'll hear ighost ibiza igama lakho, mangale ukuthi ubani lo biza igama lami, mawuthi awuboni umuntu, lo muntu ufuna ukuthi umsize.
Whether you know the person or not, but they know you.
They know you. Bafuna nje ukuthi nje ubasize. Mabakumemeza uwazi ukuthi basuke bafuna usizo, or basondela kuwe kusho ukuthi bafuna usizo.
So how do you respond to that, more especially if you are not inclined with the spirit world and the living and the dead, ukuthi sebenza kanjani? So in a sense yokuthi moreover uthola ukuthi umndeni awumlandanga lo muntu, how say muthu unale that gift ke uthusa jwang nabasalata baheni until ukuthi abazi nokuthi ushona, they just don't know about. Yes,
yeah, kahle what I've learned on my experience ngeyibhoko ne ukuthi mawukhuluma nazo ziyalalela. Thina into esivimbayo ngathini, into ekuyiyo eyenza ukuthi singakhoni ukucontrol situation ile ndaba yefear. Ukube singabantu abangasabi, aba brave enough ngokwazi ukuthi sinayo ipower yokuthi siyivikele kulezi zinto, ne bekufanele ukuthi lento ikhulumiswe, uyayikhulumisa uthi ngiyeke, suka kimi, okanye awubulawanga yimi. Sakiyeka isibhoko mawusho njalo, mawuthi awubulawanga yimi, deda kimi.
So there's some form of comprehension yokuthi they still intact because basasemhlabeni nathi.
Yeah, basesemhlabeni nathi ne, and mabasesemhlabeni nathi ngoba ibhoko azifanani. Kukhona nalaba abashona before time. Uthola ukuthi uzoba la emhlabeni isikhathi esingako until kuze kufike isikhathi sakhe sokuthi bese ayawela. Omunye uba stuck la, ne? Into emenza ukuthi aba stuck la ukuthanda kakhulu into ezimaterials la emhlabeni. Uthola ukuthi umuntu bekathanda imoto yakhe kakhulu or athanda umsebenzi wakhe kakhulu ukudlula yonke into, and bekahlala semsebenzini athanda umsebenzi wakhe, then when umuntu makashona then uzohlala aya lapha emsebenzini. Omunye umuntu wenza izinto la emhlabeni ezi-wrong ezimbi, mase kufuneka ukuthi mase kufike le light ekufuneka ilandele, kufuneka imlande, i-reality yabuya ukuthi phela ngifuneke ngiyo answer, then uzobaleka from the light abuye back emhlabeni. And kulamanye ama-dimension on the spiritual world ne, kune window period la kuvuleka khona where umuntu uyakhona ukuya ngale, and kune window period yokuthi kuyavaleka. Iyenzeka kanjani la? Uzobona nangama ancestors, ama-ancestors when they visit you through dreams, maybe ubona umama wakho owashona, ubaba wakho owashona, yabona, whoever ne, makafika umuntu wakhona ufika phangisa, uzokhuluma nawe ashesha, uzothi noma uyichaza into yakho uthi umama bekakhona, he ngambona wavele njena, ngambona sasukuma, wakhuluma lento ayikhuluma then wanyamalala. Ujahe ukuthi iwindow lingavaleka sisengapha because uze la kuwe. Ngathini ngesinye isikhathi utshontshile ukuza la. On the other side bengekho allowed ukuthi aze la kuwe, but ngoba uthe angale wabona ukuthi umntanami kuzoba ne-accident kanje or khona ingozi ezayo kuye, then waba naleyo power yokutshontsha lelo window lokuthi avele ngapha and then azokutshela whatever message, then uyahamba. So abaveli nje abantu laba ba close to you, abantu abafana njengabo abomama, abantu abaseduzana, abogogo bakho, abantu baziyo ne, abezi njalo. They will come nje seldom abezi njalo. Uyabona? Abantu that will guide you through your spirituality. Those are ancient beings, ancient people. Abantu ongabazi. Yibo abantu abakuguidayo spiritually. Kujeni yakho. Yibo abantu abasuke bakhethiwe, abasuke bakhethiwe ukuthi bahambe nawe. So yeah, understand.
Yes, ma, when you talk about indaba ye fear, then it brings me to this question, Guti. So should we then be in a position whereby ispogo, especially to barembana lhwebnolo, magasbona? Are you saying, Guti, those people can live normal? Ukuthi bangakhona ukukhuluma nazo to those people abakhona ukuzibona if there was no fear? And then again, another question ma engiba na isikhathi esiningi masimamela iitori zeyipogo zivela most yabantu badla izimponjwana.
Yeah.
That's another question that tends
Ngicela
to be
ungasayi ngama question kakhulu, ngifuna ukuthi because I know ukuthi i-memory yami izokhohla amanye ama questions ukuthi angisakuphenduli wonke ne. Let me go to le question yokuqala. Okay, ithi ngibambe bese ngiyibambile yamanje ne, ukuthi why abantu abaphuzayo kube yibo abakwazi ukubona lezi zinto ne. Mawuqala uphuza ne uba kwi state esithile uyakwazi ukubamba i frequency yaku spiritual ubamba i frequency ngoba your mind doesn't think a lot mawuphuzile. Yeah, iba high nje. You don't think about your problems. You don't think a lot. So there's a frequency ekufanele ukuthi siyibambe yaku spiritually ne. I frequency ekwazi ukuthi uyakhona ukulalela, uyakwazi ukuthola ama messages, uyakhona ukuba nemibono. So because wena as a human being your mind is always busy. Ingqondo ihlala ibusy. So lobu busy bengqondo, ingqondo ihamba nge frequency busy. Uyabona? So mayibusy kanje, anyone oqhamuka from any being eqhamuka from the spiritual world efuna ukukhuluma nawo ayikwazi ukuconvey I message because iyayiconvey I message but wena uyitholi. Ayindlulisa I message awuyitholi because your mind is busy. I-tricky ila ne, i-tricky la ukuthi you must be able to make to hold I frequency yakwa spiritually ekuyi frequency le ezokubeka at peace. Kunale peace le oyibamba when you meditate or mawuphuzile. That little peace oyibambayo le ukuthi you feel at peace. Uyayibona lento le. That peace will make you to see things. Uyabona? So ihluka kanjalo ukuthi I reason eyenza ukuthi abantu mabaphuzile and ekubeni mawuphuzile when umuntu ophuzayo and umuntu osebenzisa ama drugs ne isebenza kanje lento le. You are opening a door for all the spiritual things good and bad. Mawuphuzile kungangena a spirit somuntu engathini, a spirit somuntu okanye obekathanda ngathini, umuntu bekathanda ubufebe okanye umuntu obekathanda ukulwa. That spirit will only enter temporarily while wena uphuzile sik-enter that entity. Ngizotama entities because ilawa ahlala khona around our homes, everywhere ne. Entity can make you a host just because uhlala uphuzile. You become a host for an entity. Iyazi ukuthi ngawe ingabheja ngawe because you will always get drunk maybe makuyi weekend. Then that entity izotargeta wena as a host because ifuna ukuphila for leso sikhashana. Entering and using your body. Yabona? It enters you and use your body. Then when ushiftele eceleni, your spirit is shiftele eceleni, entity iba namandla and take over. Then the character that will act, it's no longer you. That is why you will find abanye abantu babengena ku trap yokuthini yokuthi a person will do things ebekangeka zenze asoba. Bese abantu bathi hayi unjalo bekafuna ukuveza ubuyena. No, it's an entity. It's operating. ngaleso sikhathi ithi and my operator benginokuyibona esikhathini esiningi beyithanda ukudlala uthola ukuthi idlale ngabantu besilisa nabantu besifazane futhi nabo beyidlala ngabo uthola ukuthi uphuzile mawuphuzile ushaya iglass yokuqala bebuhleli endaweni la kuphuzwa kuyo ushaya iglass yokuqala and then ushaya yes2 masuzongena yes3 usisi ombone lapha close to the door oyisibotho ongagezi maybe oyihlalela lapha or ubhuti ombone omdlule lapha yana and when you enter you thought ukuthi this is not your type because wena uyayazi type yakho but suddenly with classless 3 entity yangena mayingena it will play something like an illusion lo sisi uzothi makasukuma jive your mind will go iye kwenye indawo uzobona something else ehlukile yabona wena uma umuntu wesifazane uzojive lo bhuti lo ubone hey akase sexy lo bhuti ne kusho ukuthi idlalani ientity ikudlalela ama illusions ne it's an illusion ubona into engasiyiyo ne then mangabe ukuthi ubhizi lokuyaphuza then you will invite the lady you will invite lo bhuti simangala how so uhleli nalomuntu bekahleli lapha eminyango othe mawungena wambona ukuthi akekho akasi type yakho then you will end up ekseni umangala ukuthi ulele eduzane kwabani and ayiseki entity ngaleso sikhathi then uyazibuza ukuthi mara ngiyenze kanjani lena idlala ngawo ishaya ngama tricks so utshwala nedakamizwa kahle kahle zi allow the entities to come in and use our body temporarily and ukuthi zifeze izinto zazo uyabona yeah ngoba wena as a person ne ungakaphuzi asibeke kanje sithi umuntu unonembeza and ayikho into ekushaya ukudlula unembeza unembeza uyashayana ungakushaya ungakhona ukuphuma ngomnyango ubonwa abantu just because nje wena as a human being or natural unonembeza and once unembeza wasuka kuwe kwasuka your spirit kuwe kwangena another spirit sa take over then it's another person ungenza noma yini who can kill uzumangala ukuthi how wenza ubuhlungu obungaka how it's another spirit esisebenzayo so you'll see abantu bayenza ama decisions ubona ama presidents amanye kwamanye amazwe benza ama decisions abhlungu ukuthi makufa abantwana kufe abantu besifazane kufa abantu banesibindi because into say operator lapha is no longer it's no longer a human being because a human being unonembeza so before uzoyenza into wrong kufanele kushiftise the human being to take over something else.
But on that note, you were saying every time sending into a bedtime, Tina Sekosetu, we are not supposed to be doing the bedtime.
Yes.
Kusuke kungene lo moya lo.
Yeah.
Oyisitha ngaphakathi emntwini.
Yes, let me tell you ukuthi lo moya ungena makwenze njani. Lo moya lo ungena mangabe when you drink, when you do drugs, or ma umuntu othanda ukubamba amaqhubu. Umuntu ohlala anenhliziyo efasile lo moya uyangena. Yeah, ma umuntu othanda ukukwata isikhathi eside then the spirit siyangena. Angithi that is why neBhayibheli linokuthi ungakwati lize lishone ilanga. Because udevil will use you. Ne? Yeah, so ma ukwata isikhathi eside then you allow entity ukuthi ingene. Let me tell you ukuthi ma umuntu othanda ukuhlala akwate isikhathi eside angabi noxolo kwenzakalana. Entity ma ingena kuwe ne, because once you do that you break your shield. uNkulunkulu ayibekile ukuthi ikprotect from these entities. Yeah, so ke ukwatile, let's say ukwatele your partner, you were fighting about something, uyabona, your partner athi let me go out because ngiyalwa mina nomama wasekhaya ngishaya umoya ngizobuya naye sekakhule down.
Yes.
You know what is going to say the entity? Uyobona le ntombazane benikhuluma ngayo. Uyekhona lapho uthi yabona, it's like ifaka umoya more ukuthi nilwe. I-entity can create ukuthi abantu bahlale endaweni eyi-one bangabingelelani bangazwani. Because ngizokubingelela i-entity will make ukuthi mina ngakuboni ukuthi ubingelelile. I will just keep quiet. Then izosuka ukuthi angibingelelile awuzange ungiphendule. then niya continue niloke niyalwa idlala ngana ngithi manje nihlala nikwatile kuleyo ndawo. It plays with your mind. Umuntu akubingelele then awumuzwa ukuthi ukubingelelile. Yenza sure ukuthi iyakuvala idlala an illusion. Ungamuzi umuntu ukuthi ukubingelelile. So ngiye ngithi like advise abantu or ngitshela abantwana bami, I would say to them, umuntu make wambingelela and angakubingeleli back, don't take it personally. Phinda umbingelele ngesinye isikhathi and uzame, because an entity is trying ukungena lapho, so that uzothi ngimbingeleli lazange avuma. And avumile umntana abantu, but lento idlale angithi nihlala nikwatile. That is why ngithi mina mang advise abantu ngithi uma umuntu ofuna ukukhula spiritually, umuntu ofuna ukuthi raise your vibrations zibe high, release, forgive, ne? Forgive and let go. Uyayibona lento. I know ukuthi asifani, ama challenges wethu asifani as human beings. Kunabantu abadalwe with memory yokuthi akakhohlwa ukuthi kwenzakaleni. So that person agabi kuba nzima for yena ukudlula lo muntu oshesha khohlwa ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Uyabona? So as long when you know yourself ukuthi ngumuntu ongakhohlwa ukuthi kwenzakaleni, zama ukuzireminder ukuthi mina ngikhohlwa ukuthi kwenzakaleni, so I need to forgive, because I know ukuthi le record lizoleke lidlala la emqondweni wami, because I'm not a person okhohlwayo.
So this is very interesting. Maukuluma simple act. I greet you. So this entity, if ngingivale, ngithi oh unamamuzi angengisambulisa. So it draws us apart even further. So my viewers are watching us. We aside good ending phakathi. I like the example that you're making. Ukuthi khona la family, because those things are a serious reality, an everyday reality. 80% or even more of that, what you're saying, it's if you can go to most of the walls in our houses, you will experience into jaguti sipa angimfuni. Whether uyafa like ngikren Chinese ngayo, whether utsobanya upe, he has cost us as a family. Whether wanwa, he has cost us as a family. So ma, you saying Guti, in most cases, this is what I want maybe our viewers to understand. Umuntu siqu sakhe is not that being. Kusuke kungene lo moya lo ngaphakathi with that then carries them ukuthi benze zonke lezi zinto lezi.
Yes, kusuke kungene lo moya, and ku family, ifamily nefamily kunenhlanhla yakhona. Ifamily nefamily nenhlanhla yakhona. Let's say nizala umama oyi1 kule family. Kunenhlanhla yenu eza nomama wenu enizalwe nayo yala kule family, ne? Once naqala nangazwani, 2 brothers abazwani, 2 sisters abazwani, ne? Then le nhlanhla yenu seyibreakekile. Seya short. Ine power manhlangene. Manizwana nibantwana bomuntu niphume esiswini esi1, nalibamba lebhande li1 ngoba nibambele lebhande neli1 kanje. Then inhlanhleni ihlangene. Noma omunye ngaba successful abanye bangabi successful, but ukuthi anizwani nina le nhlanhla seniyibreakile. Naye lo successful angeke asafika la bekufuneka afike khona. Uzofika somewhere but not la bekufuneka afike khona, because seyibreakekile. Ifana njenge cord. When ma uyi parent, especially ma umama, ngathi ma umama le umbilical cord le endele ebamba abantu othi mawuthola abantu umntwana bese ibambe emntwaneni, ifana kanjalo ukuthi bonke abantwana bakho babambelele kule umbilical cord. Kulunga wena, kulunga abantwana. Kubheda kuwe, kubhede abantwaneni. Yabona? So nibambe into eyi1 kahle kahle, mani ngabantwana bomuntu ufuneke nizame ukuthi noma ningaboni ngeliswe elinye, but zamani ukuthi nitolerateane ngokuthi nizwane, even if umunye angaziphilela le yaziphilele, but makube ne peace amongst you, because if ingekho le peace, then inhlanhla yeni ya breakeka.
Do I then get to a point mangabe ngukuzonda uma wami udadewethu umfowethu mina manje njoba say when you're forgiven me mina if I say I will never under my dead body do I then need to know ukuthi that's nginomoya omubi ngaphakathi kumina but it's not me but it's that spirit hayi ukuthi mina siqu sami
yeah listen ukuthi spirit sisebenza kanjani ne if uthi mina I will never ngimxolele ne that means wena umuntu obitha ne umuntu ohlala vele unenhliziyo emnyama already you have opened a door for that spirit to use you angithi ngitshelile ukuthi singena ngokuthi uhlala ukwatile for you to prevent le spirit ukuthi singangeni le entity ukuthi ungakwati isikhathe eside don't go and sleep uloku kwatile kwata ubuye nganeno and forgive wenzelani wenzela ukuthi entity ingak-attack ingangeni kuwe ungayiniki umzimba wakho phela umzimba lo umzimba anything can take over as long you give it ngathini power to take over ungaba seceleni take over asukume uSipho ahambe but it's no longer uSipho sesizobona nje ngezinto azenzayo ukuthi hayi lo uSipho ushintshile kunento take over. The reason why you'll see a crazy person ahambe estradini is because the real person useceleni bamshiftisele eceleni another spirit is operating asifuna ukugeza sihlala ngaphandle. So it's easy for ama spirit ukuthi sishintshane ngawe ne so wena as a human being kufana noma ulele as a human being ama spirits mawungazazi ungazi ukuthi uyiprotecta kanjani ungazi ukuthi power yakho yilanda kanjani ama spirits angashintshana ngawe kungafika le ifike ikuthathe ebusuku hambiyani nomzimba wakho umzimba womoya hambe nawo ihambe iyoyenza lento eyenzayo ikubuyise ngesikhathi kufanele ikubuyise ngaso ne mayikubuyise kuseni uvuka ukhathele ngathi bowusebenza bongekho angithi awuphuphi alayinanga kahle spiritually awuphuphi uvuka ukhathele ungazi ukuthi ukhathazwe yini bowusebenza ebusuku just that you don't have a memory.
Awuna memory makuthi what you were doing last night?
No, you don't. Angithi you are not aligned. You are not spiritually aligned with your gift. So, and another thing enokuyenzeka uSathane uLucifer ne it's unfortunate ukuthi uplug in every human being. There's a code aplug kuyo la ngasemuva uplug in every human being. That is why you'll hear two voices. There is this one, there is that one. Kushuthi kunale khuluma izimbi, kunale khuluma ezinhle. Two voices because now you plug it in. And the more you raise your vibration, uba more awakened and uqala ama gift akho nama senses akasebenza. Then no Satan you'll hear uSathana khuluma kakhulu manje. Seka louder. Njengo uba louder as igift yakhe loud. Yabona ukuthi so nama voice ayi2 uba nale voice ukuthi okay I can listen to my to the voice that speaks within ne but at the same time kunale voice man a negative and izofika nje uzijabulele and I inokufika nje uyijabulele uziphumlele then the voice will come izokuqedela nje ubumnandi and come with a negative thought. Then manje you are paying attention to that negative thought. uSathane usebenza ngaleyo ndlela leyo. So I'm helping abantu ukuthi bangazilimit. They must know their power. As long you can tap in your own power. Ziningabi izinto ongalwa nazo especially kusikhathi samanje where there's a lot of things ezenzakalayo spiritually. War is ilapha kwa spiritual ithi imanifesta lapha athi iqale lapha. Izinto zivuswa lapha. Kwa spiritually zibuye zizophila la physical. So when you tap in your power, then you are able to defeat izinto zaku spiritual as a negative. So you need to tap on your power more, so that you uyazivikela. Umuntu ovikelekile uzibona ngokuthi uthahamba. Makufanele kumita umuntu wesifazane ongekho right. Ngibekele example yangena endaweni. Then more uvikelekile, then your power will just make that woman ugly for you. You won't see her even if she can be beautiful. Same applies as women's. When your power operates kahle, izokwahlulelela kahle. It will tell you ukuthi ungayi kulaba bantu yangapha. That's how it's supposed to operate. Funeka ipower yakho ikhulume nawe, like you must. Yazi mongena power ikhuluma nawe. Uthi uyangapha ubanjwe inkunzi because you don't have ipower ikhuluma nawe. And it doesn't mean ukuthi ayikhulumi, just that awuyizwa. Because your mind lacks ukubamba frequency. Iproblem ilapha kule frequency lekufuna kuyibambe le yakwa spirits. That makes you to listen to the voice more. If you can listen to the voice more, izothi mayikhuluma, you'll hear it loud and clear. But mongakhona.
Ngikwatile.
Yeah.
And I have a good reason ukuthi ngikwate.
Yeah.
Ngishonelwe ngani ubulawo umakhelwane wami. Inkosikazi ugange best friend yami. All these reasons that would make sense for me to be angry. How do I then say to me ukuthi xola hearted, so that the frequency of your vibration and your energies and then can be able to be at play? How do I come out of that game? What would you do?
Yeah, you are a human. Asisho njalo.
Yes.
Number one, you are a human. And as a human, first thing that ezayo, when something bad happened, you'll feel a pain. Uzoba nayo inayo yonke lento a human being that will have. Makakwatile, ne? As long ukwazi ukubalansiza uziground. Because when you are spiritually connected, uyakwazi ukuyibuyisa and say, okay, into nento yenzeka for the reason. Where did I go wrong? Why is this thing happening to me? You must be able to have ama questions, and ukhone futhi ukuthi your spiritual guide ikhone ukuguide and give you ama reasons. Yes, healing akusinto that can take one day. It takes time. Allow yourself to be a human being and feel pain and come back. Ungahlali pain in forever. And for you kuzibuyisa back, uzibuyise emoyeni ngoba umoya yiwo ozokukhulula. The physical body ngeke ikukhulule, izoloku ikubeke ku pain. The reason why we feel pain is because mangabe we are on the physical body, that means we vibrate on a lower level. We are at the lower level. When you are at the lower level, then you feel pain. Yonke yasemhlabeni uba depressed, ungakhala, ucabanga ukuzibulala, you vibrate at a lower level. Once you raise your vibration, you come to the spiritual world. That's where you find ama reasons of letting go, of pain, of everything. Now you are talking to ngathini, you are talking spiritually. Angithi ngitheni kuwe, ngithe izinto ziqala kwa spiritually before they manifest. Then you speak spiritually, you connect spiritually with your higher self. You connect, you heal your pain spiritually. Then you become okay.
You heal your pain spiritually.
Spiritually. That will manifest physically.
Okay. That's deep.
That's what you do. Angithi power sathathelwa. and mase ibuya kancane kancane yathi mase yabuya kancane kancane and ibuya ngama bits and pieces and seyishintshile seyinamagama athile kanti it was our power in the first place. That's how we used to do things spiritually. So mase ibuya ngathi ipower eqhamuka kwezinye izizwe. Ezinye izinto we think they are from kwezinye izizwe. And the more zine power, the more sibaleka kuzo ngoba we think ukuthi hayi lento lena eyamakula, hayi lento lena eyama China. I'm sorry to say eyamakula, lento le eyama Indians, lento lena eyama China, lento lena eyabantu abathile, akuseyethu yabelungu. Hayi thina sithathela okuningi. So we need to buya back, asibuyeni back, asibuyeleni back. Yazi I would tell you just into eqhamukayo khona manje la ngizokhuluma nje la eSouth Africa. La eSouth Africa our leaders ama president ama ministers bahleli emaparliament bahlali yonke indawo mawuthi uyabheka. Uhlala kanjani la access uhlala kanjani and make ama decisions la kusekhona ithombe zama oppressors akho. Because yonke into yenzeke spiritually. While you are being like yazi kuba ngathi if iSouth Africa izoqala kufuneka ukuthi maybe bake badilize ngoba izinto zenziwe spiritual akunanto engathathwanga spiritual. When we look at the things physically asicabanga ukuthi izinto zithathwe spiritual. Uyayibona le. So ipower yethu iqala lapha kwa spiritual. We asilandeni ipower kwa spiritual and size nayo ipower. Kuyilande physically. I used to tell abantu, like a person will come to me, a comrade, maybe ufila ukuthi seka to go to parliament, ufila ukuthi seka to go. I will tell a person ukuthi awukafiki lapho spiritually you don't have power uyokuyo challenge abantu abane power abanye banama power athile abawalande somewhere. You can't challenge that. Uzogijima kuze kuphela icathulo. Ulokuthi nyangena uma ngale khona abakudlulayo baye ngale. Bayilondile ipower ka spiritual wena uyilandanga. Wena uya nje umuntu awazi ukuthi ipower ilandwa wapi. Whether it is good or bad, but okusala ilandwa ka spiritual. Once wangayithola le nala kuyabheka. So we are spiritual beings.
Spiritual beings.
And we are blessed with melanin. That makes us to connect with anything ekhona la emhlabeni. That makes us to create. As ubona abantu baba user baba creative with power that is in us. They become more creative and create things. Uzwa abantu bathi sivuse into ethile. We are creators, all of us. This melanin it speak with yonke into zonke ihlahla yonke into ekhona la emhlabeni. So nje ipower sinayo nje masingathepha kuyo and try to tap in a positive way, not in a negative way.
Okay, ma. I think my last question on my side, I don't know how much it. Bafethu lapha emakhaya, please just let us know what are your thoughts so far. She keeps on teaching. Askisi ngilezi ezingayo ugawule yabo into ukudla kuso. So I know khona ezifana njengami igawule esaziyeki. So yeah, please let us know what you think and your questions as well so that Mama can also fill your cup as well. So we are really, really inclined in the spirit realm so that we understand Bafethu. So yeah. Ma, then my question comes to say, so then we can then blame ourselves for the situations that we are in.
Yes, definitely.
We can blame ourselves, not the next
definitely.
person.
You know when they say you are the captain of your ship.
Yes.
That is so true. Because there are things that you attract without you knowing. Which I'm creating because we are creators.
We are creators, man.
there's a lot of things that we create singazi. Check your brain, check your mind. Ukuthi about 70% of your thinking iphetheni. If iphethe ama regrets, iphethe ama lack of something, regrets, and kule 30% besiphatha ukuthi oh I love uThembi. Then mawubhekile what is going to manifest between the 70 and the 30? I love uThembi or I love my job. At least I've got my job. Mara ngilahliwe, ngayenziwa this, ngayenziwa that, bangixoshe ekhaya, bangenza this. Zonke lezo zihlala zidlala in your mind. 70% kudlala that film in your mind. 30% it's about, oh, at least I've got kids, I've got home. Yonke le 70 iphethe yonke into ekwenzakalele that is wrong. You are busy creating. Busy creating. Life you busy look, we are creator because we are creators. We are creator. We are create. Then when things happened to you, kuba ngathi mina ngisazi, I prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed, and you were creating your life. All along you were creating your life.
Amagrudge manokungaqoli.
Ama-grudge ukungaqoli, and this thing mawukhuluma ngama-grudge ukuthi ungaqoli ne. Now this thing yokuthi you know i-vibration yama-surnames. You go to Ulwa Nomkhize. Ulwa nomfana kaMkhize nelwela intombi. Maybe uwomsukelile wamthathela umfazi wakhe. That vibration, you've created that. Leyo ngathini ngizothi ikhuluma ngama laws zala emhlabeni. There are laws la emhlabeni and you can't cheat them. There's no way you can cheat the laws zala emhlabeni. Mongayenza ipeace lalo muntu lo angakashoni. Washona shone aluka kwatele kususe nalento ukuthi naqabana. Umntana akathola umshado kaMkhize. Angeke uhlale lo mshado kaMkhize. Because wena waqabana noMkhize ezubaba. Yes. It carries on. Yiko lokhu it's important to ngathini ukuyenza uqolo and ungathathi uqolo ngathini uzehlise ungathandi kuba right. Uyabona? Yeah, when you mawunyathelana nabantu, make a peace. Uzenzela wena and nabantwana bakho. Make a peace ngoba if you don't make a peace khona la nizobambana khona. Makhona umuntu okwakubhayizisa maybe emsebenzini or nabhayizisana kwangabi mnandi nangayi resolve into yakhona. Kwafika esinye isibongo noma singafika noma yipi indlela sakubolisa sibongo lesiya isukile nalo nizobhayizisana ngeke iye phambili into yeni nizobhayizisana because uhlulekile uyisolve leyana lesa like the way we are so connected vibrationally. Very much connected. Yonke into is about vibration. Yonke into i-connected ama-vibration. Masila emhlabeni we are connected. Masila ikusebenza ama-number. Our life is about numbers. Masika nje kusebenza ama-number. So khuluma ama-number. I-language yakwa spiritually ama-number, kwehla ama-number. Then ayakhuluma inkulumo. Ama-alphabet into yethu si-create la emhlabeni. Ngale ka spiritual kusebenza ama-number, kusebenza i-language yengqondo. khulunywa ngengqondo, kuyi-telepathy, khulunywa ngengqondo. Thina siqhelisiwe ekukhulumeni ngengqondo. Kwathiwa funeke simemeze, sikhuleke kakhulu simemeze. Sidilize indonga sikhuleka. While i-connection eshaya ngqo kuyi-language yengqondo. Yiyo esikude kunayo. We are far away from it. I-connection yokucommunicate ngengqondo. Communicate with God. Communicate with your guardian angels. Communicate with yourself, with your higher self, with your mind, using your mind, creating with your mind. Let me tell you this. I like to say this on many people. I think abantu engibasizayo, they will see this. They will hear this. Ukuthi a crazy umuntu ohlanyayo that it's outside, ohlala adla ukudla okungcoli, imili yakhe ise dustbin. Akanayo imili eclean every day. Ise dustbin, uhlala ngcolile, uhlala kuma different weather conditions. Lo muntu survive kanjani? Why singabatholi bagcwele lapha ebheka imlangeni kuthiwa hey ibabulele i-food poisoning, ibabulele or i-diarrhea ibabulele. Uyayibona lento le? Why singabatholi bahleli la? Sebenza i-language yengqondo. Uyahlanya lo muntu ubona nali tin le fish lapha, kude fish mara kubolile ku green lapha yana, something that can kill you. Kuye the mind says, this is food. Fish le. Angithi uyahlanya. He can't tell whether this is dirty or not. Uyahlanya. Then uyathatha uyadla. Then the mind ishaya poison ingasasebenzi. It gives the food ukuthi kube ukudla ku straight. Uyadla lo muntu, uyambona uyanona. Hamba kanje nehlanya. Wenze experiment, ulihlale bumper to bumper, nihamba kanje nomuntu that is crazy. Yonke into ayenzayo makadobha na udobha udle. Sibone ukuthi who's gonna survive.
Andifuna uqalisa ke mna.
You see, who's gonna survive between the two of you? Ubani lo usayo le power ye brain? The power of the mind. Sebenzisa yona. Yiye emsebenzelayo yikhenya. Ngithola khwehlela khona. So khwehlela wena.
Ngize ngibhode ma.
That is the power ngithunywe yona mina ukuthi siza abantu. Siza abantu. Abarizi power yabo abanayo. Mabaye kuyihluphekisa benamandla okwenza izinto. You know, eyami i-power that engi-applya ku universe. I want to open a school, spiritual school, where I will teach about these things. La ngizonceda abantu ukuthi babambe frequency. Sizoba nama experiment bayenze into siyibone ngamehlo. Yenzeka siyibone ngamehlo, hayi ukuthi kube yinto yokuthi into azibone umuntu ine magic anayo inside of him or her.
Sho ukuthi akusebo Einstein kuphela makumele ngabe banswembu, nathi we should be nswembu kahle kahle.
Hayi thina singamaboss okuba nswembu. Singamaboss okuba nswembu. And yiyo lento engikwatisayo mangibona abanya mangibona ezinye izizwe kuba ngathi yizo ezimore ngokukhuluma ngespirituality in this way, and sisale bashiya amabhoza ngasemuva. Bashiya abantu abayiphethe lento that runs in their DNA. Babashiya ngasemuva kube yiba abakhulumayo. Kanti ufune ngabe babuye emabhozeni bazobuza ku ukuthi lento yenziwa kanjani.
Hi. Yeah.
Umsamo omkhulu kaNkulunkulu use-Afrika. You can go all over the world. I've been to I've been to America, and yeah, kwaba khona indawo engizihambayo, ne? Umsamo kaNkulunkulu where you connect more kuse-Afrika. When uhamba uya kulezinye indawo, i-connection yesikhona. But manje iyavalwa from ema-airport kuney'khonkwane. Qinisiwe ukuthi uma ungena wena uqhamuka from another country, especially like abantu abafana na, ungafiki ubona into zakhona. So thina abantu abafana nathi uyakhona ukutrack, ngiyakhona ukutracka ukuthi okay kuqiniswe ngalo, okay, and then leyo nto leyo mhlazana ungene e-airport iyazi ngawe. Iyazi ngawe, uma udilika nje kulo country e-airport seyiyazi ngawe, and it's gonna follow you. Ipower yakhona is gonna follow you and make sure ukuthi it suppresses you until you leave. Until you leave. Ma umntwana, like uma ungathumela umntwana ane gift and too much, your child can go crazy that side. Mase zimphethe kahle lezi zinto, can go crazy. So you need to ukuthi ube spiritually grounded. Yeah, especially uma umuntu one gift. Because awuna chance, lezi zinto they will keep on coming for you. You need to be brave and be strong, and there's no way of stopping lezi zinto kakhulu ukuthi zingezi. You can only build ukwenzani. You can only build the power yokuhita back. Ube brave ukuthi ya ngishayile. Besifikile isilwane ngishayile. Esiphinde sibuye.
Wait. Hey. Angihleki. Ayi bafethu nimzwile. I'm sure la sikhona bafethu kuba ne level of introspection ukuthi why am I not connecting? Because honestly you know, when honestly I still tap into this thing of unforgiveness, anger, resentment, hatred. My understanding what Uma is saying, why Sipho you're not vibrating on the level you should be. It is we have allowed us to Satan. So I need to understand ukuthi akusiyimi Satan, but allow lo moya ka Satan ukuthi usebenze ngaphakathi kumina, because I think sugarcoating izinto ukuthi hayi Sipho yazi umoya nyani yizi izinto ezenza ukuthi ungasaboni iqiniso ukuthi no. When I start behaving in a certain manner which is not godly, then I know ukuthi umoya ka Satan, then I need to deal with it immediately. So this is what I'm understanding, and this is what I'm grasping from Umam. So Bafethu, please let us know what you think. This was a very exciting moment for me. Extremely exciting. I'm sure niyamangala manje ngamangala. Khona into esiyibambile sayihabula. Maybe siyafana no mama thina bayasazi. Mara soke sibone. Sibaningi bafethu. So it's a podcast Paranormal Show bafethu siyancane. Let each one teach one. Mthande umakhelwane wakho njengoba nawe uzithanda. For the sake of the hope for tomorrow. You will never know ukuthi makhona nokusiza wena noma ingane zakho ngani. Yeah, angisazi. Soweto. Sipho uyanithanda bafethu ne-team yakhe Soweto podcast la sancane, and will forever preach ubuhle and the goodness inhliziyo zethu. Sancane bafethu Soweto podcast. Ayoba, we are out.
Amen.
Yo, angisazi bazokudinga we-stress.